India has set a new record for heat, breaking a 125-year-old record. February 2025 has brought the hottest temperatures, surpassing the previous warmest February recorded in 1901. This has caught the attention of meteorologists and environmentalists alike. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has stated that the period from March to May typically experiences extreme heat. This year, the heat is expected to reach new heights. The intensity of the heat across various regions cannot be ignored. The heat in January this year broke records that were previously set in 1901, and the temperature in January 2024 was already record-breaking. Now 2025 has shattered those records as well. What was expected to be a cooler February has instead been another hot month. Meteorologists have issued warnings that the heat will intensify over the coming months. States like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana will experience severe heat. The average temperature in India in February has risen to 22.4 degrees Celsius, which is 1.34 degrees Celsius higher than normal. While nighttime temperatures are a bit cooler, the dramatic rise in daytime temperatures signals troubling trends. After 1901, February 2025 is now officially the hottest on record, raising concerns across the board. Environmental scientists are warning that March will likely be hotter than usual, with daytime temperatures possibly reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius in many areas. Residents of central, northern, and eastern India will feel the brunt of the heat more acutely. The rising temperatures will lead to an increase in environmental pollution levels. Additionally, the elderly and children will face greater difficulties, and medical experts warn of a rise in heat stroke, dehydration, and overall weakness. People are being advised to stay alert and take precautions in advance.